guys, it's me. Today we went to 7-Eleven, and this is it. And this. I be quiet. And today we are going to be opening these nerds. Let's open it. ASMR. That's so satisfying. You can't take the lid off, but I know that you can open just one everywhere and change which one you want. Oh, that I love that pink. You just love it. And today it's giving a no. Today is a nature day. I was literally just saying nature outside. Is it stalking? Mom? Me too. I also think that's nature-y. Day 2, tomorrow.